Hi there, welcome to Kneppy Invest. Core Lithium has been an absolute nightmare for shareholders over the past month, and more than likely, a lot of shareholders are starting to lose faith in this company and the management of this company because of the significant decrease in the share price over the past year. In fact, share price has fallen about 75%, maybe more than that. And in just the last month, the share price has fallen by more than 50%. So, two significant down days, in fact, three significant down days, and down 23.4% on the 17th of August, the third worst performing company on the ASX. Now, the market still has 40 minutes left of trading, so maybe there's going to be a bounce in Core Lithium share price, but I doubt it. Now, the worst performing company today is Next Ed Group, used to be called iCollege. I have no idea why that company's share price is down, apart from the fact they released a trading update, and more than likely it's a negative trading update. I did not look at that announcement just yet. But the focus of today's video, or this video, because I might do another video on NextEd Group. Why not? Yeah, I'll do a video on NextEd Group as well. Now, the focus of today's video is on Core Lithium. Why is the share price down 23.4%? I haven't been really following this company all too closely, and I went to the announcements page just to see why, and it became quite clear why the share price is down as soon as we see the announcements this company has released over the past day and a bit. Company went into a trading halt at 9:57 a.m. on the 16th of August, so that's the Wednesday, and later in the day, in fact, after close at 4:53 p.m., the company announced a $100 million unwritten institutional placement and $20 million SPP. Also released a presentation, and this morning at 9:35 a.m., they released a successful announcement in regards to the successful completion of institutional placement. Now, with the share price down 23.5% and not even reading this particular capital raising, the share price it's offered at, more than likely, this capital raising is being done at a significant discount. Now, I'm going to have a bit of a guess here at what price this capital raising is done based on the share price right now, so 41.5 cents, based off the low today, which is about 40.5 cents, which probably suggests the capital raising was done probably between about 40 cents, maybe 42 cents, in the best case scenario. And one of the reasons why the share price might have been lower than the capital raising is because the shareholders of this company, the market has lost faith in Core Lithium. And sometimes when the market does lose faith in a company and they do a capital raising, you will see the share price actually fall below the capital raising price. So I have not looked at this yet. So let's open up. Let's open up the 5-page document. I'm not going to look at the presentation. Just to see what price this capital raising is being done at. Fairly significant capital raising. Now, if you don't know Core Lithium, well, they're a lithium producing company, one of, if not the newest lithium producing company on the ASX, maybe in the world, and they should be getting a lot of cash coming in through the selling of their lithium. Maybe this is the realization that things are not going as planned or something like that, because I'm still wondering why they're doing this capital raising. So the key things here is, well, the price, and straight away we can see the price almost in the first paragraph, so 40 cents. So it's very understandable. Share price low today is 40.5 cents. So those who are selling at 40.5 cents have lost faith in this company. I would not be surprised to see over the next few days the share price fall below 40 cents. Fairly significant amount of money raising, $100 million. So further dilution to shareholders. So if they're raising at 40 cents, that means the amount of shares they have to offer or increase is something like 250 million shares. So 250 million more shares onto the register. They should say how many shares somewhere in here. And they also should say what they're going to do with the fund. Here they are, use of funds, $45 to $50 million on BP33 early works, plant optimization works and fitness sustaining capital, exploration and study expenditure, and working capital up to $5 million. And more than likely they won't say. And here's a discount. Yeah, significant discount to the last closing price. So 26.6% discount to the last closing price, which was 54.5 cents, and a 30.2% discount to the 5-day volume weighted average price. So the way they probably explain or justify such a significant discount is to entice people, institutions, to buy into the capital raising. But you can see what happens when the market has lost faith in the company, the share price falls to the capital raising price. So it just seems silly, in my opinion. Now, they won't probably mention how many shares. That's probably in the presentation. I would say 250 million shares, but that would be in the institutional placement. But you also have a $20 million SPP. So that's extra shares as well. So we're probably talking about 300 million more shares onto the register. And if it's to a few institutions, there's a chance those institutions will dump on market as soon as they can. So I'm just waiting or hoping there's some sort of amount of shares. Here we go. Core will issue 250 million new shares via the placement and up to 50 million new shares via the SPP. So right on. My maths, I can still do maths in my head. I'm impressed with myself. So 300 million new shares. How many shares does this company have on issue right now? So let's have a look. We can go to market index. Ordinary shares 1.86 billion. So now this company is going to have over 2 billion shares on issue. So that's probably all I'm going to talk about when it comes to Core Lithium. Let's have a look at the chart. Oh, this chart looks absolutely ugly, particularly over the past few months. The share price got as high as $1.20 back in May. So we're talking about 3 months ago. That was on the 16th of May. So in 3 months, the share price has fallen from $1.19 down to 41 cents. So we are talking about a significant drop in share price over a fairly short period of time. And even if we have a look at the 1 hour chart, it looks even more ugly. Share price in a well-defined downtrend. I thought there could have been a bounce. There was a very small bounce after the quarterly results. But the bounce was very short-lived, and we're talking about maybe 7 or 8 hours, and it hit the resistance level and then kept on falling. And where or how much further it will fall, who knows? Now, some might argue that the capital raising price at 40 cents should be sort of the support zone for this company's share price. But again, when the market and shareholders lose faith in the company, lose faith in the management, typically you will see the share price fall way more than what you might think. And that could happen with Core Lithium right now because the sentiment behind this company is absolutely atrocious right now. Now, I will put this onto my watch list because I will wait for a bounce. And I'm not sure if this company is now good value based off their production and their possible production in the future. I have no idea about that. But the main thing is the market has lost faith in Core Lithium. So that's really all I have for this video. If you have any thoughts about, and if you are a shareholder of this company, I'd love to hear your thoughts about Core Lithium, about the management of this company after this significant discounted capital raising. So leave those comments, your thoughts in the comment section of this video. Otherwise, I am not a financial advisor. If you do need financial advice, make sure you seek out someone who is qualified and can speak to your own financial needs. That's it for this video. Have a good day. Bye.